Hello friends, welcome to my new video. If you are new in this channel, first of all like, subscribe and press the bell icon of my video. Press the bell icon of the channel for more information about trading. Let's start the video. First of all, you open the Aerontrade app. We know that today is a Sunday, therefore we trade in OTC, not in currency pair. You can see that I open Ethereum. I open a 10-minute chart. You can open 30 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hour, 12 hour, depend on you. And you can choose your time, 1 minute trade, 2-minute trade. If you are new in this channel, you know that we are trade in binary. Here I can go for buy here. In my point of view, and first of all analyze the chart and then we for trade, but I trade first. Chart continuously moving up and down. It's a very tricky chart, not a stable. Here I can go for another buy. I have to buy trades. We are in loss. I can go for a sell. Let's see where chart is gone. You can see that it's that chart make a fake breakout. You can see that it had to breakout, fake breakout. SNR is very important things in trade. My suggestion, if you are new in trade, binary trade, first of all you can open your demo account and run trade, and then you can deposit on your account. It's my suggestion. It depends upon you. I have lost in 2 trades. Don't worry, we can cover this loss in next trade. Let's see. We are in $80 profit. I can go for buy. Another buy. Let's see. Oh my god, chart move upward slowly. We are in profit in 2 trades. Let's see where chart is gone. It's my point of view, chart going upward in few seconds, few minutes. You can see that I am right. Chart going upward. I have profit in 2 trades. Let's see. We are $88 in profit. Wow, what a good day for me. This is called a prediction strategy. We are in good profit. Let's see. I can go for another buy. Another buy. We are still in profit 2 trades. What a good day for me. Oh no. Oh my god. Don't worry, we can recover this loss in next trade. Oh my god. I lost my profit in this trade. Don't worry, we can recover this loss in next trade. Hopefully you can enjoy and learn something new in this video. Small risks, small profit. Big risk, big profit. Now I can change the. I can go for gold. Let's see. First we're gonna buy the chart. Now I can go for $200 trade for buy. In my point of view, chart gone upward in next minute and few seconds. Let's see. I can go for one sell here. If I lose in buy, I can recover my loss in sell. It's a strategy. That's it. What a good profit for me. What a day for me. Wow. Wasting good profit in one trade and loss in one trade. You see it. Don't worry, we can recover this loss in the next trade. Oh my god. I can go for sell here. Yes, you need loss and good profit. This is the last trade of this video. I can go for your buy. Let's see where chart is moved. We are still in loss in one trade and one trade in profit. Let's see where chart is gone. Chart continues to move upward and downward. This is a gold trade. Oh my god. We are still in loss this trade. Don't worry, we can recover this loss. This is the last trade of the day. Hopefully you can enjoy it and let's see something new in this video. I need your support. Let's support me and press the bell icon of the channel for more information and about trade. Okay, bye bye.